ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Stand Safari! Right now, we will begin with a few songs but before that, just a few gentle reminders, okay? So first of all, those of you who are seated in your personal rows, please be warned that you are seated in the splash zone. There is a high chance that you will get wet, okay? And don't use your baby to see you, Now, for those of you who want to get wet, you can come down. There's no space over there, and over there. Alright? Last but not least, right after the show, when you're leaving the amphitheater, please do it in an orderly manner. Can we do that? Yeah. Alright, now with that said, let's see if my sea lion is ready. You heard that? My sea lion is ready? Well, I am ready for myself and Abdul is ready. Okay, is everyone ready for the show? It's time to meet our California Sea Lion! I forgot to mention, next time when he splashes, please close your mouth, okay? Because the other day I got this man spitting out all the water. Alright, now you have to sit down before I throw you into the pool. Now sea lions, they are fascinating creatures. They can live both in water and on land. They can swim very fast as the Rurika. That's about what? You hold on, okay? Good afternoon, Raven.
Hi, good afternoon, Sunny.
I'm trying to speak to them, and you go, what's happening?
Sunny, Kumba is upset with you.
Kumba is upset with me, but why?
Sunny, from the start, you missed out something very important about me.
No! Oh, well, ladies and gentlemen, I failed to mention that sea lion, especially Kumba over here, is intelligent and good looking! Clippers stand! For those of you who made that, get your cameras ready. One more time. Alright, now, many people mistook sea lions for another creature called the true seal. So right now, Kumba is going to show you how a true seal looks on land. How a seal moves on land. Sea lions are much more versatile than that. Right here, I'm going to show you a few moves with speed. And a roll over. Alright, now you have to see how strong those slippers are. Do you want to see how fast you can swim? Come on, you want to see how fast you can swim? Let's go. Let's show them how fast you can swim. Raven, what's happening? How come today he got a lot of complaint? This one what? Singapore Sea Lion.
Sorry, he just mentioned it's a bit uncomfortable.
But why? He's a sea lion.
He said earlier on when we go into the pool, we saw something big, something scary in the water.
We saw something big and scary in the pool, but I've already checked the pool, there's nothing big and scary. Do you all see anything big and scary in the pool? No, right? Never mind. Let me check again, okay? Nothing this side. Nothing this side. What is it? Look at that, he doesn't trust me. He also wants to check. Come on, Pumbaa. There's nothing big in the pool. Let's show them how fast you... A shark! If that is how you have for dinner, come on, let's show some speed! Body, a belly slide. Alright, now focus your attention to our trainer, Raven. What he has got there is called a ball target. Now what Pumbaa is going to do is going to dart into the pool, leap out, and touch the ball. Okay, good. Now, sea lions, they have been used by the US Navy SEALs for search and rescue missions. So right now, we are going to show you how they do it. Alright, but to do that, I need the help of one young brave volunteer who has a waterproof watch. Can one of them mount? Oh yeah, you want a watch? Okay, come here. He's smiling, he's happy, he don't know what he got himself into. Okay, give me your watch. Panic ready. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, what is your name? Krishna, where are you from? Ladies and gentlemen, Krishna all the way from Singapore! Okay, Krishna, can you swim? Say yes. Okay, good. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to get Krishna to throw his watch into the pool and we're going to get Pumbaa to retrieve the watch. Okay? But Krishna, if Pumbaa cannot retrieve your watch, you have to go in and retrieve the watch. That's number one. You think you're sitting down or not? Okay, let me get underwear. Number two, if Pumbaa retrieves the watch, you you can only come back tomorrow to take your watch. You know why? Because when he retrieves the watch goes in here. Tomorrow, come out here. And when this man, maybe not the blue color. No, Danny, I was just joking. You use my watch. Okay, you hold on to this. Hold on to this. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, you can throw anywhere, but not too side. Not to the corners, okay? Pumbaa, close your eyes. Alright, now, take your watch, turn around. Ladies and gentlemen, please now from Singapore! Alright, are we ready? Let's go! Pumbaa has been practicing this move and he wants to show it off to you. This is called the corkscrew. Now the reason being is that they have distinct memory from their eyes, which enables them to open up their eyes in your water. Slow things down a little bit right there. Right? And you have seen how strong those papers are, and you have seen how far you can see. So right now, we are going to show you how intelligent the sea lion is. So what's going to happen is that Raven is going to place a juicy piece of fish right in front of Pumbaa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, sea lions, they cannot resist fish. Now, Pumbaa can see the fish. He can smell the fish. He can almost taste the fish. Nyam, nyam, nyam. But, he is not going to take that fish until he hears a signal from his trainer, which is, I repeat, which is a single clap. Now you all can try to clap as much as you want to distract him. Come on, let's try. Hey, stop, I forgot. I did mention one single clap, didn't I? I tell you one, hold on, let's do this together, okay? On the count of 3, on everybody, you sit down first. Okay. On the count of three, I want everybody to clap once together. Can we do that? All right, are you ready? Hands up. 1, 2, 3. Alamak. Some too fast, some too slow, some very slow. Again, try that again. Ready? And up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You are so easy to train. Sorry, no fish for you. Very good, all young. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's intelligence and self-control. Now the reason why he did not get that fish is because he knows he's going to get a whole lot more for a job well done. Awesome, right? But now it's time to get serious. Right now, Pumbaa has a few ideas of what we can do to fight the ocean's deadliest monster. Now, I'm not talking about killer whales, I'm not talking about sharks, I'm talking about plastic. Every year, millions of animals die because of plastic. They swallow, they choke, and they die. So please do not litter into the ocean. Now besides that, fishing lines or even fishing nets that are left behind by fishermen, they get entangled onto the flippers of the sea lion. And what happens? Damage is done. Damage such as a broken flipper. Now that is how a sea lion moves with a broken flipper, and that really hurts. Besides that, fishing nets that are left behind, they get entangled, they drown, and they... yeah, they die very slowly. And then they want to come up. You see, you know why? Because he wants a big round of applause. So right here, right now, Pumbaa wants to tell us that we have to recycle. So instead of using plastic bags, we can use canvas bags. Canvas bags such as these. The canvas bags like this, they are very strong, they can be recycled. For those of you who want to get a bag like this, you can just go to our retail shop and buy one for yourself. Besides that, he also wants to tell us that we have to use our own reusable water bottle. Now the Singapore Zoo supports people who bring their own water bottle. We have water fountains all over the zoo for you to fill up your own reusable water bottle just like that, alright? Show of hands. Who got your own water bottle? You guys are the best. Alright, now talking about bottles, right now, Pumbaa is going to show us what we can do with unused plastic bottles. We pick up the plastic bottle, we go to the nearest recycling bin center and we give it! So, we have to reduce, reuse, and recycle! Alright now ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, sea lions have been seen doing this in the wild to escape from predators such as killer whales and sharks. This is called porpoising. name is Sunny. We would like to thank you for joining us finally and let's go party! Enjoy the show. You guys have been fantastic. Take care and goodbye.